Kia Sportage QL, glove box housing replacement. Component location. Replacement. 1. Remove the crash pad garnish, RH. Refer to crash pad. 2. Disconnect the stopper, B, from the glove box, A. 3. Disconnect the air damper, A, from the glove box, B. 4. Disconnect the pins, A, and then remove the glove box, B. 5. Pull the lever, A. Key must be always in unlock position, otherwise it will not be possible to remove the lock. 6. Press the tooth, A, on the lock by pushing it from above with an appropriate tool. 7. With the recommended tool, push the tooth of the lock, so that the lock can be released from its position, by pulling the key. It might be needed to move with the key slightly from right to left to release the lock as shown on the picture by arrow. 8. Remove the crash pad side cover, RH, A, by using a remover. 9. Remove the crash pad under cover, RH, A. 10. Remove the glove box housing, A, after loosening the mounting screws and bolts and nuts. 11. Disconnect the glove box lamp connector, A, and glove box lamp switch connector, B. 12. Install in the reverse order of removal. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.